this is Alejandro, Head of Communications at Paladin Protocol, and welcome to the Warden Boost Buyers tutorial. Quick note before we start. Only gauges compatible with V-Boost can benefit from Warden purchases. The full list is in our Warden docs. To manage your curve deposit and your LP boost with Warden, make sure you first are in an eligible pool that's V-Boost compatible, and 2, that your LP tokens are staked in the gauge. We've already done that from our end. Once you complete the steps above, head to the Warden dashboard. Figuring out the amount of boost to buy. Go to curve deposits in the dashboard. There you'll see all the stats related to your curve deposit. Your deposit, APR, and the boost. Click Calculate to head over to the calculator. You can adjust the slider depending on the amount of APR you want. You'll see how much boost you need. In this case, let's take the boost all the way down to 1.01. So the VCRV needed is 2040 with a TAPR of 8.24%. Let's buy the boost. Buying your boost, simple buy. By clicking Buy Boost in the calculator, you'll go directly to Warden's Simple Buy feature. Otherwise, you can find the Simple Buy in the Boost tab. Simple Buy is handy because it aggregates VCRV from multiple sellers. Your address and the amount of VCRV will be pre-filled from the calculator. Let's complete the transaction. In this particular case, we have 2040 VCRV, gonna leave the cost the same and put it to a period of 2 weeks. Let's review the buy. Okay, great. Resource from one seller. Let's complete the transaction now. And the transaction is now complete. However, your new boost isn't applied to your position yet. Head back to the dashboard and update your checkpoint under curve deposits. If you don't see it at first, make sure to refresh the dashboard. Okay, we can see it here. Let's update. Any transaction is approved. Notice that the TAPR has gone up with the purchase of the boost. The more boost you purchase, the higher your TAPR. Buying your boost, market buy. You may prefer some customization options when buying your boost. You can make individual deals with any seller registered on the Warden market. Under Market, you can browse the sellers and their terms. Let's navigate over to the Warden market. As you can see here, under Market, you can browse the sellers and their terms. To buy a boost, select the seller on the interface and then configure the purchase on the right. In this case, we're going to choose this seller. You can then select your deposit to get an estimation of the amount of VCRV you will need for a max boost. Okay, we see we have a lot. You can then input the amount of the seller's balance you'd like to borrow. You see here that it's already set to percentage. I'm going to set it by amount, and as you can see here, the minimum is 491,000. Let's actually up that amount to 1 million. Lastly, we'll set the length of the boost purchase. Let's put that 2 weeks. Then we will buy the boost and complete the transaction. The transaction is now completed. Again, your new boost isn't applied to your position yet. Head back to the dashboard and update your checkpoint under curve deposits. Once again, if it does not show up, please refresh the page. And we can see it here. You have to make sure to update the other one as well. And both are completed. Once again, notice how the APR went higher and or was changed with the more boost that was bought. Some final points. On the dashboard, you'll be able to see the status of active boost purchases and how much of a VCRV balance is borrowed. Your APRs will be higher from the new boost. That's it for this tutorial, pals. Stay tuned for the next one.